Back in the 50s and 60s, cameras didn't have self-timers. Yet there was a very strong custom that on Thanksgiving and Christmas, they always took a family portrait. Everybody would be giggling and laughing because they were going to have their picture taken. Back then, having your picture taken was something special. It's not like today. The film cost money back then, and the processing and taking a picture was something special. Especially family photos were considered very special. So the father would trip this lever here, and then he would run to the group, and he would hurry. Everybody would embrace and say cheese. And they got their picture taken, and then when they were processed a week later, everybody got to see the photo of the family. And that's a little bit of history. I don't know if people still do that today or not.